Hi students, in this lecture we are going to study how to draw frequency curve. Uh, for drawing a frequency curve we need the class, the class, the midpoint of class and the frequencies. Here the example, we take the classes and corresponding the frequencies, wage in rupees which is classes and number of workers which is the frequency. For drawing a frequency polygon we need on x axis the midpoint of classes and on y axis we need the frequencies. Here is the observation table. In observation table we need the classes, frequency and the midpoint of the given classes. The classes contains 0 to 10 class, 10 to 20, 20 30 up to 80 to 90 class. We have to calculate here the midpoint. The formula for midpoint is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Here we calculate 0 plus 10 divided by 2 which is 5. Next class is 10 to 20. 10 plus 20 divided by 2 which is 30 divided by 2 which is 15. In the same way we get here 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85. Here is the summation of frequency which is 96. We did not need the summation of midpoint. Here we take x axis and y axis. On x axis we take class, the midpoint of class, and on y axis we take the frequencies given which is the number of workers. Initial value is 0 0. Classes starting from 0 to 10. Here we take class 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and we also take the 100. We need the midpoint of class, therefore we mark here 5, here 15, here 25. We mark all the midpoints and on y axis we take the scale 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24 and 26 because the frequency is starting from 2 to 25. Maximum frequency is 25. Let us mark the point midpoint versus the frequencies. First midpoint is 5 with corresponding frequency 2. 5 is here with corresponding frequency 2. 15 is here with corresponding frequency 4. Next is 25 with frequency 11. 25 is here with frequency 11. Is here, we mark here. Next 35 with frequency 15. 35 is here with corresponding frequency 15. 15 is here. Next is 45 with corresponding frequency 25. 25 is here with corresponding frequency 25 is middle of 24 and 26. Next is 55 with corresponding 18. 55 with corresponding frequencies 18. 18 is here. Next is 65 with 15. 65 with corresponding frequency 15. 15 is in between the 14 and 16. 15 is here. Next is 75 with corresponding frequency 4. 75 with corresponding frequency 4. 4 is here. And last is 85 with corresponding frequency 2. Here complete all the points. We have to join all these consequent point, first, second, third, fourth, up to the last, all the consequent point with a smooth curve, freehand smooth curve. That is starting from this initial point. Here we joined all the consequent point with a smooth curve. For closed frequency curve, we need two classes, one before the initial class and one next to the last class. First class is 0 to 10, so we take the class minus 10 to 0. Mark midpoint of it, which is minus 5, and we need one another class next to the last class. Last class is 80 to 90. Therefore, last class will be the 90 to 100. The next class will be the 90 to 100. We mark here the midpoint with frequency 0. We take these 2 points. We take these 2 points with frequency 0 and join first point to this point and this last point to the next point. Here we get the closed frequency curve. Now the chart title is frequency curve. The scale we have taken on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 unit, on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. Here we complete the frequency curve. Thank you.